Hare Krishna. Welcome back to Humble Devotee, where we share real and powerful stories of Krishna and his devotees. Stories that remind us that Krishna is not distant. He personally responds to devotion. Today's story is about a saint whose devotion was so intense that Krishna came to him every single night. This story comes from the life of the great Vaishnava saint Raghunath Das Goswami, one of the closest followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Raghunath Das Goswami was born into a very wealthy family. He had everything most people dream of: comfort, riches, servants, and a life of luxury. But his heart was not attracted to any of it. All he wanted was Krishna. So he left his palace like home and came to Vrindavan, choosing a life of complete renunciation. His lifestyle was extreme. At times, he ate only a few dry leaves or a small piece of stale bread. Most of his day and night was spent chanting the holy names of Krishna and meditating on the divine pastimes of Radha and Krishna. His devotion was so deep that something extraordinary began to happen. Every night, a young cowherd boy would appear near his place of meditation. The boy would sit beside him, talk with him, and sometimes bring him a little food. The conversations were simple. Sometimes the boy asked about Krishna. Sometimes they laughed together. Sometimes they simply sat in silence. For Raghunath Das Goswami, the presence of that boy felt incredibly peaceful. But he never questioned who the boy was. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And the mysterious cowherd boy kept visiting him. Then one day, some other devotees happened to be nearby when the boy arrived. They watched curiously from a distance. But as soon as the boy stood up to leave, they saw something unbelievable. The boy walked toward the temple and disappeared directly into the deity of Krishna. The devotees ran inside the temple in shock. But there was no one there, only the deity of Krishna, smiling peacefully. When they told Raghunath Das Goswami what they had seen, tears filled his eyes, because he finally understood the truth. The cowherd boy who sat with him every night was Krishna himself. Krishna had personally come to spend time with his devotee. This story teaches something very powerful. When devotion becomes pure and selfless, Krishna is no longer just a deity in a temple. He becomes your companion. The saints of Vrindavan often say, Krishna may not appear to everyone, but for a heart that remembers him every moment, he cannot stay away. Now we would love to hear from you. Do you believe that sincere devotion can bring a person closer to Krishna's presence? Write Hare Krishna in the comments if you believe Krishna still watches over his devotees. And share this story with someone who loves hearing about the miracles of Krishna. Hare Krishna.